if you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed.
Hey guys, it's Pigs Travels here. We got a package here by DOUGHP. They make really nice cookie dough. Make sure to use my code down in the description. I'll have a link for all that for my ambassador link. Anyways, let's get into open it. It's very heavy. Wow. Alright. Got a 10-minute and 50-second video that I'm able to record. Shouldn't be too long for that. Before we open it fully, I was going to show everything that's on the box because I think the box looks really cool. Alright, so right here it shows their link for their social media, and it says get ready to dig in. Side says perishable. Please deliver to certified spoon liquor. The side says nothing, really. It says buy DOUGHP, give hope. The lucky spoon liquor, I believe. And this one says have a dope day. I love it. Alright. First thing I see off the bat is our shipping label, which if that gets shown in, I'll blur it out. So first thing I see here is a sticker of possibly my favorite flavor of their cookie dough. Possibly. I have no idea yet, but I'm really intrigued about that one. This says, Dear Spoon Liquor, life is raw, don't cry over spilled milk. Pour yourself another glass. Never sugarcoat who you are or what you've been through. You deserve sweetness, even still. So go ahead, lick the spoon. Let's keep this our little secret. First month, 50% off on the QR code. Your dough has arrived. Stoked to dig in. First, here are some tips to maximize your cookie dough enjoyment. 1. Spoon it up. There's no wrong way to do this. Oh, it just tells you microwave it or something. Dough it for the gram. Ice, baby. Ice packs melted. Don't trip. Your dough is safe for 2 weeks at room temperature, 45 days in the fridge, or 1 year in the freezer. Money back, 100% happiness guarantee. Hit us up at support@doughp.com if something ain't right. Hopefully things are all right. Look, cooler packet. Woo! Here's that. Then we got, it's pretty cold. These are pretty cold. We got dunk on them, sprinkles, frosting, and cookie grams. There's that one. 3 minutes in. Okay. And we got, the s'mores flavor one. It's just like the sticker. Then we got Ride or Die. And we got a big tub of the Beast Mode brownie, which is really odd why it's bigger than the others, but I'm actually not sure why it's like that. So here's this. Yeah, I know they're reusable. And then the last thing that's in here is another cooler packet for the bottom. The rest is just foam packing, which is gonna stay in there. Box is amazing. So there was Beast Mode brownie, chocolate brownie, chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate s'more cookie dough, sprinkles, frosting, and cookie grams cookie dough. That was a 4-pack of DOUGHP. Taste test in the next video. And make sure to use my code right here, SPIGARMY.